Hello happy souls, this is Kawasaki KB100 RTZ rebuilt, and these are all the segments which I've classified for this restoration project. In that we are in part 5 removing the accessories. Now we are in part 2 of it, removing the seat assembly and the rear panel assemblies. First let's begin with the seat assembly. For this you need a 12 mm spanner and start loosening at both the sides, that is the RH side and the LH side. And while seeing this, the old bikes, the vintage bikes all look similar. The seat assembly is similar to my previous project Suzuki Max 100, or like two bolts hinged at both the ends, and this is like a fully metal part like the old Royal Enfield things, and this is how it looks after removing the seat. And regarding the Suzuki project, I haven't uploaded the videos yet. I don't know which I'm going to upload first, so wait and see. And coming to the rear panel, it is a plastic part actually. For this you need a 10 mm spanner, and it is like it comes with 3 bolts. One of them is missing at the rear, and other ends are like tightened with rubber bushes for reducing the vibration and for locking. And after removing it, here comes the third part, that is the just a cover locked with the 2 bolts at either sides. And after loosening it, you can simply remove. And that's all for this project today. And for more videos, check out my description, and see you in next video. Bye.